Today I'm going to install a speaker in 2020 Toyota 4runner. I got this speaker KFC 651 and I tested Pioneer and a bunch of them. I did not like them, so this is what I'm going to install on 2020 4runner. So the stock speaker is this one. I already replaced the other side, left side. So this is the stock speaker. So I will leave all links from where I bought all this stuff. So this is actually a speaker, right? And this is a bracket. So I got this one from Walmart. So it's a window sealer. We need this one to start first on this edges. So let's go into it. So just gently. This is one side is sticky and other one is nothing. No glue on the other side. So just gently put it over here. We need a marker to all these areas so you can see easily from the speaker. These are the holes. We will put a speaker so we can see it from the speaker's holes. So this bracket have a hole for the cable, so we will move this one over here so we can easily run the cables. So that might be from here. So if you see the original one, see the foaming here, but this because it's a one piece, so that's why speaker and mounting bracket is same. So the one piece. So this one actually inside in the door is like that. Basically what it does, that this thing I think save the speaker, secure the speaker from the water if something coming from the window. More over tight there. Turn it on. Bring that cable. Use that one. Tighten them a little bit here. Right. One is bigger, one is smaller, so no chance of mistake. There's gonna be no mistake there. Right. And the second step to open the door. And I'll show you how to open it. It's easy peasy to open this door. You don't need this little bit. We will use this as a screwdriver. All right. Here you go. Pull it out. We'll get release. This is the one. Second one is here. Push it down. Come on, man. Here you go. Third one is here. Between the lock and the handle, there is a space. Push it like this. There you go. It just came out. Right? We will unscrew it. Two black, one black screw going here. These are the longer one. Right, just put on the carpet. This one might be a little longer. And the small one is here. this one out. This door panel is perfectly attached, but this side we have like 1/2 inch of finger spot. We will grab it and push it to ourselves. Pull it to ourselves, and then we will move a little bit up. 1, 2, 3. Don't get scared. This is Japanese. There you go. Right? I pull it up, and then I show you we have to unplug one power here and lock and this clip. Grab it from here. The white one is on the top, and the blue one is for the unlocking the door. Opening the door, and this is lock. It's a little hook here. A little bit, move it, and then it will follow the pattern, and you will unplug it a little bit. Don't push it too much. Here you go, and slide it and pull it up. Here you go. You have a very beautiful pattern. Once you open it, you will see it. Here you go, and just bring it here, and here there's no top. When it's like this way, there is a clip on the top. When you move it like this, it moves towards no clip, so you can pull it up. But make sure, be careful, because it have a grease on it. Here you go. And this is a bulb. There's a clip. There's a button. Pin is here. You can use your finger, pull it down. I just cut my nails and having problems now. Here you go. Right? One more important thing. These white things came out, but make sure they have a washer, a clothing washer. I put it a sheet under the car because I don't want to lose them. So these black one, we have to find them. You can use screwdriver, or if you have a tool like this, just move it inside, pull it up. Here you go. See this black thing? Make sure it's stick here, or if it drops, just put it here. Just move it up. Here you go. See, it came with the plastic, this washer, so secure them. I will place them later on the cover. Oh yeah, unplug it, grab it like this and move it up. A clip here. There you go. Because it's stuck, and now here you go. Speaker came out. We're going to use the same thing over here, right? Same way. Follow the pattern. Remove this thing so it can fix clever. Do not stretch it. Go nicely into it. I'm a right-hander, and this door is actually pushing me to use the left-hand side, which is so difficult for me. We're not going to place this door panel the way we removed it, because it's very difficult to place the upper window protector. So we will remove that panel from the door panel. So if you see here, there is 1, 2, 3 clips. So what we will do, it's not a rocket science. I will push a screwdriver here and then pull it. Screwdriver here. There is a holes here. See this one, and then I will pull it. All right. So these things will go on this door panel. 1, 2, 3. Here we have one, but we're not removing because it's not removable. So we will place this one and then you push everything together. So I'm placing this one. It's all set, right? Now come to the door panel. The clips that we removed, what we will do, we will put these things back on these holes, right? Make sure these black washer stay with that. So if you see the mechanism here, see, we will put the cable here, this area. We will put that ball area and move the cable, sorry, this way, and then it will go here. So the white is up and green is down. Before that, we will plug the door light and the power windows plug. Then we will cut this one. The white is up. So it's very gently, because white one is a steel, is a aluminum, and it's a one solid cable. Plug this one. Right, we hear that. It's all plugged. I will place this clip here first and then push it back. Just want to make sure, yeah, it came back here. Okay. Don't push it too hard, like don't try to force it, because if it's aligned, it will go all together. Yes, I actually forgot to test it first, but test the speaker. If it's not working, you have to open again. That's a mistake. This is a pretty long screw. Before the sound was like that.